peace. Just listen. Long ago, in a quiet valley surrounded by mist-covered mountains, there stood an old Zen monastery. At its entrance hung a large bronze bell. Every morning at dawn, the bell was struck once, its sound drifting across forests and villages, reminding people to wake, not just from sleep, but from distraction. In this monastery lived a young monk named Jean. Jean was sincere, disciplined, and hardworking. He followed every rule. He meditated longer than others. He memorized many sutras. Yet inside, his mind was always restless. During meditation, his thoughts raced. During silence, his heart felt noisy. He often wondered, why do I practice so much, yet feel so little peace? One evening, Jean approached the old master of the monastery. The master was sitting beneath a tree, watching the sunset without effort. Jean bowed deeply and asked, "Master, how can I quiet my mind?" The master looked at him kindly and said, "Meet me tomorrow morning at the bell. Nothing more." Before sunrise, mist wrapped the monastery in silence. Jean stood beside the great bell. The master arrived slowly. Without a word, the master handed Jean the wooden striker. "Strike the bell," he said. Jean struck it firmly. The bell rang. Deep, powerful, lingering. The sound traveled far, then slowly faded into silence. The master said, "Strike it again." Jean struck harder this time. The sound echoed longer. But once again, it faded. Jean looked confused. "Master," he said, "no matter how I strike it, the sound always disappears." The master smiled. He asked gently, "Where does the sound go?" Jean paused. "Into silence." He replied. The master nodded. "And where did it come from?" Jean hesitated. "From silence." The master said, "Exactly." The master continued, "Your thoughts are like this bell. You strike them with attention, with effort, with resistance. But every thought rises from silence and returns to silence. Why chase what is already leaving?" Jean felt something loosen inside him. The master instructed, "Now sit. Do not stop your thoughts. Do not follow them. Listen to them, the way you listen to the bell." Jean sat. Thoughts appeared. Plans, memories, worries. But this time, he did not push them away. He listened. Each thought rose, lingered, and faded, just like sound. Minutes passed. Then something unexpected happened. Between thoughts, there was space. Wide, silent, gentle. Jean realized. Silence was not the absence of sound. It was the space that allowed sound to exist. The master spoke again. "The bell is hollow," he said, "because it is empty. It can sing. If it were solid, it would make no sound. The mind is the same." Pause here. Notice your thoughts now. Do not judge them. Do not fight them. Let them ring and fade. Silence is already here, waiting patiently. From that day on, Jean practiced differently. He stopped trying to force calm. He listened. During work, during walking, during breathing, he noticed how everything came and went. Peace appeared naturally, like dawn after night. Before Jean left the monastery years later, the master said one final thing. Do not try to become silent. Just stop arguing with sound. Now, take a slow breath in and release it gently. You do not need to quiet your mind. You only need to listen. Like the bell, you are most beautiful when you are empty. Rest here for a moment.